political features of the Abra heritage, may we have a recap first. Quick recap. The people of the Abra, ethno-linguistic people of the Abra is called the Tinggians, and it came from the Malay word Tinggi. Tinggi, that means, anyone? Tinggi means? Yes. Okay, yes. Right. Tama kayo, gagaling. And Abra has 27 municipalities and 303 barangays. Now we move on into the spiritual rituals and rites nila, which is meron din sila gaya natin, meron din silang dawak, tapos meron sila sa may patay. Tawag doon yung they're cleansing the body of the dead, so that pag pumunta siya sa spirit world ay malinis daw siya. It is called the, Panakaamos Ginatoy. And we also discuss about the crafts and arts of Abra, their dances, their music, and also the lapat and the kaingin system. Now, tapos na natin yun. Ngayon, pupunta na tayo sa political features na i-discuss ni Francisco Calderon.
Okay, so once again, good afternoon everyone. So since hindi pa natin tapos lahat yung political features ng Abra, so ngayong hapon is ipagpapatuloy natin ang talakayan tungkol sa political features, laws, and dumapay nga quality political system in the Abra. So, since hindi ko masyadong na ipaliwanag sa inyo yung tungkol sa mga political system or political features ng Abra, is magkakaroon tayo ng short recap lang po para ating maunawaan ng gusto yung kung ano nga ba yung political system ng Abra. So, in overview, we discussed about the Republic Act number 8371 of 1997 or the so-called IPRA law, na kung saan ang IPRA law na ito ay isang batas na itinatag ng ating gobyerno para upang sa ganon is mabigyan ng self-governance or empowerment yung mga indigenous cultural communities or tayong mga indigenous people. Diba? So, it is isa pang mga layunin or goal ng IPRA law na ito is para mabigyan ng oportunidad or privilege itong mga indigenous people para sila ay may pursue nila ng gusto yung mga economic, social, and cultural development. And also, ma-involve din sila sa mga different developmental agendas ng ating gobyerno. At higit sa lahat, itong IPRA law na ito is rine-recognize din ito at rine-respeto yung mga rights nating mga indigenous people, communities, and also for us to preserve our culture, tradition, and institutions. Okay? So, ganon na ang political itong IPRA law it is also similar to the other indigenous communities in the Cordillera Administrative Region. Furthermore, the Tinggians of Abra always believe on the premium, equitable power and authority of the Council of Elders. So, ano ulit ang Council of Elders? Okay, very good. Dilalakay system or ipanglakayin. As this dilalakay is a protector of Iwi or Igao and Umili, which is the local people, and primarily the stewards of their ITSPs. Ano ulit yung ITSP na sinabi ni ma'am? Knowledge, practice, and indigenous knowledge system and practices. So, ganon na ang indigenous governance laws and social justice ng Tinggians is meron silang tinatawag na 3 perpetual practices of Piñas of Abra. Ito ay first, take note guys, Dilalakay system, the Bodong system, and the Inaboyog or Inaluyon or the Bayanihan system. So, first, we have the Lalakay system, which refers Council of Elders of Governance. The governance structure of the Piñas of Abra has derived from the phronetic leadership or practical actions of the Lalakay, which persistently constitute the sustainability of common prosperity, harmony, peace, reciprocity, and accountability. So, meaning to say na itong Lalakay system na ito is pertaining to someone or individual na meron siyang kakayahan or he or she has the ability to govern or to govern of a certain community or isang bayan na kung saan siya yung parang pinakamataas na leader within their komunidad. So, they're also called sometimes, they're also sometimes called as brilliant and wise elders. Why? Because Dilalakay serve as community's moral and political guides and uphold customary traditions. Furthermore, itong Lalakay system is may ito ay may pinakamahalagang papel sa political system of Abra because they preserve community structure, upholding customary laws, and maintaining social harmony. So meaning to say, itong Lalakay system is sila yung nag-e-enforce ng mga laws para sundin ng mga people of Abra. Yes? And in terms of justice and conflict resolution, they preside over adjudicating crimes and disputes. Meaning to say na binibigyan nila ng solusyon yung mga crimes or any dispute na nangyayari sa kanilang community. And they also give penalties. Penalties nga, ag-depends man lang dyan, narami dito, may isang atako nga pamadi.
Including body heinous crimes na sakot na.
Yeah?
Including body heinous crimes na sakot. Super duper.
One month lang.
Like rape, gazay.
Ha?
Okay, so next, they also have the ability to protect the land, tenure, or resource management, which means meron silang abilidad para protektahan yung tinatawag nilang lapat system. Lapat system na itong lapat system is ito yung nagpro-promote ng sustainable and communal stewardship of the natural resources. Okay. So the reference to the customary laws and practices of the Piñas as defined through the mapping study of R. Buendia, PhD et al. 2006, it is connoted that mainstream of authority, power, and legitimacy among the Piñas are the Lalakay and the Apo-Apo or ancestors. Yung ugali or customary practices were also entrusted by the ancestors to the Lalakay for their enforcement. Next, we have the Bodong system. So the Bodong or Peace Pact is a bilateral relationship between two tribal groups sharing a common interest in mutual protection, cooperation, and crime prevention. According to Prof. Benvenito M. Balueg, Bodong has sprouted from the desire of two tribes either to enter conflict or establish peace between them. They were at war to ensure peace, strengthen their friendship, and prevent future wars and conflict. So, alam naman natin na familiar naman tayo sa Bodong system na ito dahil here in Kalinga is meron tayong Bodong system na pina-practice in resolving any conflict or crimes na nangyayari. Then, this is also a traditional conflict prevention and peace and it promotes peace-building system between tribes. So, yeah, itong ginagamit nila para i-solve kung merong mga crime na nangyayari sa kanilang community. So, Bodong system. Yes?
So, dapat lang ba tribal war yan?
Yes, at that. Totoo. So, since diba, social media, ultima makakalap yung ng about especially the election lang. And then may samantang na-interview J. Gaya ni Manang pininapan lang si J. Abraham lang. Baga na kanya inamin lang kanya. Ito Abraham, ito talagang every election. Talaga kanya proving na talagang alam ibang mangyari ang kasjay. Iso nga kasi nga agad mo daw system kataklungan lang aksyon ang dapat magbibigay nga yung mangyari.
Nakalagasyon ni Janet.
But anyway, hati makita nga handi mo sa kanya handi mo control na gaya kasi sa kanyang part ng ikuanan na gajayo. Like for example, kalinggamot lang magbagaan din lang niya maging aware din lang nga kung mangyari dito at yung paligid.
Since adulterate case tata, should the Bodong system hold a rape case?
I-rape case yung kati Andre na ba ibutong? Yes, at damo duty, di ba, na kwalitan na iti kalingga, may good na tackle daytan. So, I think ang dapat nga i-advert ibutong iti rape case kasi no kasi dyan yung kasama justice kailangan kita alaman nga nung ma-rape niya kasi ibutong na lang na iiwan. So, dapat ingatan daw kung illegal pa dapat yun, di ba? Pero di kami na yung constitution na yun about the patay.
Naka-handle nga rin Bodong system.
In the administration of Bodong, there are three primary focus among age-forging tribe. So we have the Bodong initiators or nilalakay or panglakayin. They are the elders or lalakay in the tribes composing the council of elders who are entrusted with the responsibilities as selector and electors of the Bodong holders. They are steward, promulgators, and implementers of the pagta or bylaws.
Okay, I can handle your
So yes, ang Bodong initiators is note that they initiate and implement the ISPA. So sila mismo yung nag-ano sa mga laws, itong mga Bodong initiators. Next is Bodong holder. An individual regardless of age, sex, who is preferably blessed with bravery, political leadership, wisdom, and financial capability. It is chosen by the Council of Elders and approved by the Umili to be the representative. So, ang Bodong holder is a chosen individual or regardless of age or gender, selected by the elders and approved by the Umili. They are wise, brave, politically capable, and sometimes financially secure. So, itong mga Bodong holders is parang kasi pagbaon man tang negatili Bodong initiators ng mga as representative iti Umili lang namang ako ay dito yung Bodong system. Bodong holders. Next, the Bodong guarantors, the Umili. Are the Umili composing the population of the tribes? They are the witnesses and signatories of the Bodong. So yes, the Bodong guarantors, may kasi lang ngayon, sudah mo lang di mga signing the laws or pamta. Basta nga may hindi rin tanong, kasi lang nga, ano, ikong parang gently executive, judicial, and legislative. So kasi ito ko na ito yung administration dito ito. Okay, next, we have the four following major tenets of Bodong. So we have the SIPA. It's the first step in the establishment of the Bodong. It is the act of inviting another tribe to come up with a peace agreement. When the invited tribe agrees on the proposal, a ritual follows wherein both tribes are entitled to give symbolic items as an emblem of acceptance. So SIPA is parang similar din sa atin na merong in here Kalinga, adamot ng tiba-tiba tayo, sipat yung ubraan tayo. Which is in two tribes, di ba? Kasi ganito may isang tribe, katagarda pa ini tribe na inwada, may kasama niya agrami dati agreement. Nakas na may ma-solve the conflict. And then, pwede na yaban tayo yung mga tribe nung nag-agree so na JNT agreement da or proposal da. May good. Alikad dati, kasama niya side by side, alikad da pa iti, kwakan mo iti, kasama niya. Kaya symbolic items na makuha iti as a sign of acceptance din na agreement da. So, that is sipat. So next is gabnot. It is an anticipation of this ensured sipat. It usually happens when one of two tribes decide to formally celebrate the Bodong by calling for a meeting of the tribal elders to plan the affair. So gabnot is ay, so dahil yung ngayon kaslangan niya agkwada, lang magtitikwaan, kaslangan ng conference na manunin na agkwada iti affairs ng duwa nga tribe. So, sa similar man lang isipat, kung isipat kita dahil kaslangan niya dati one token inside. So, dahil yung gabino, dito kaslangan niya agkwada mo lang. Second nga process na ito yung bodong. Next is we have the inum. Would literally mean drinking. It is the formal start of the Bodong celebration. The inum is usually done as following. So, inum. So, inum may katkaslakan niya. Wala ito'y dati inumun da before yeah? Basi.
Bayas.
Yes. Bayan.
Or wine.
Yeah. Ganon, so inuman na pa lang bago da start iti Bodong celebration. So, under Inum, we have Panili or Palanos. It is a welcome ceremony for the arrival of the Bodong cohorts or kabodong. It is a festive occasion usually preferred for guests of the tribe by the host community. It is a ritualistic celebration expressing full-hearted acceptance of the kabodong. So yes, Pangili or Palanos may ito yung welcome ceremony da iti bisita bisita da nga tawagan dapat lang nga kabodong da kanu. So may sarili nga festive occasion man lang iti host iti nagpo iti bodong iti tagar iti kwada mas bisita da nga formal. And then i-accept dapat lang suda nga as a tribe dapat lang or kabodong lang. Next, we have Bilano. Would literally mean entrance. It is the occasion for both parties to the Bodong to air their past issues and grievances against each other if they were such issues. Next is Pagta. Pagta is the law of the Bodong that is allowed and enforced by each tribe. The Pagta is the basis for resolving crimes or misdeeds committed by any of the concerned tribe. In the making of the Pagta, each party chooses its own representatives in the context of sectoral mode. The elders, the professionals, and the youth. So Pagta may kada ito jay lawn nga nakakabil jay ni Bodong. So dati kaslamay nga rule da nga dapat sundan da.
Ang get si by JNT George. Yan. Yan ko lang sa di ba ako naman yung sensitive initial so dahil di po daw initiate ang gusto nila lakay. For example, two tribes na ito. Alam ito pang lakay nila ang ano, at pang lakay nila ang tapos ito yun, di po daw initiate sa pili, di po daw holder na. May sarang ito yun na ito. Tapos, hindi representative dad. Di ba nga rin simula representative dad? Ay, so team, pagkuhan na. Wow, ayan si DJ and the best dad to. Tapos kaya tinanong ko na. It is the occasion for both parties to labodong to air their past issues. For example, may katitiduwa nga tribe kat nagkimita na di party. Tapos DJ nga tayo, ibagada na DJ, i-open up the ulit, opening ko na i-open up the ulit the issues idin nga kaslaad na pa lang di mali. Unsatisfied na pa lang di answers or the result na naalaga. So, i-open naman ng giants. Gana masulbaran din ka sa pagkaan. Yes, pag-usapan daw. Opening. Opening daw ko eh.
Last is the Naboyong or Inaluyon, the Bayanihan system. The pragmatic specimens of these continuums are the hunting, opon of anok, and fishing, salok or sarok, activities among the Tinyans, where they usually go out as teams and each member of the team has designated work to do so that they could get abundant catch. So itong Inaboyong or Inaluyon, which refers to Bayanihan system, dahil matlangkat ng galing karata yung mga Filipino na inaladamat lang o inadapta. Na dahil ito yung ikat kasi lang niya, there is a unity and cooperation no apanda birong iti buwan na pandagkala. And primarily, iti kway ti abrakan no iti nga ikat dahil ito yung hunting kan, fishing, iti kasi lang livelihood da napanda ag birong ti kananda kasjay, which is gaya nga kwadan, gaya nga kaslang nga team up da nga panda, sama-sama da nga mapan, ikwadan gaya nga kaslang nga practice da dayayon nga tawagan da nga Inabuyong or Inaluyon, which is Bayanihan system. Then, the Bayanihan system, katubrad man lang as Filipinos, di ba? Na ag-collaborator and we are united as one, tapno kaslang achieve din kaya ito yung ma-achieve. So, Inabuyong system is a communal mutual aid system for labor and emergencies reflecting Bayanihan spirit. So, yes, so ito yung katus lang niya ang benefit amin kasi ang tinulong kayo that i-unity yung kuha.